Hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo, the lead strategist, and you're listening to Latinos and Real Estate Investing podcast. And today I want to share with you the 3 real estate investing mistakes to avoid. This brings me back to 2007 when I bought my first investment property. The reason I bought my first investment property was because everyone else was doing it. So picture this for a moment. You're a mortgage broker. You're in the mortgage industry. You're lending money to people. You're seeing people with 550 credit score getting 100% finance, getting an 80% loan to value on one loan and another 20% in a second loan. And you're giving them an adjustable rate mortgage. And these people have no business owning property. And yet, because you are in the mortgage industry, you think that you're smarter than them. Therefore, you say, well, these people are buying real estate. I'm going to miss out. FOMO, fear of missing out. And then you decide to go and buy your first investment property in 2007. Well, guess what happened to me? About 2 years later, I was $100,000 underwater because the mortgage industry imploded. And people like me were overpaying for property, which brings me to point number 1. Don't overpay for real estate, especially in the economic environment that we're headed into. As I record this message, year to date, the NASDAQ is down 30%. We will be announcing, and by the time this episode comes out, I'm predicting that we will be officially called that we're in a recession. You make your money when you buy real estate. It's not when you sell. It's not when you rehab. You make your money when you buy. Number 2, not having the proper finance. Literally right now, I am in the middle of refinancing one of my assets. The reason you get proper finance, ladies and gentlemen, is because when you have the proper finance in place, you can weather any storm. So think about this. If you are in a recessionary market, in economic times where you know that the feds are raising interest rates, and you go right now and you go into an adjustable rate mortgage, knowing that the feds have committed to increasing rates to whatever it takes to get a hold of inflation, you're setting yourself up for failure, which leads me to point number 3, not having a clear outcome and strategy of what a successful outcome and what a successful execution looks like on your business plan. In other words, if you're buying a 5 unit and it's a distressed 5 units, and you have some tenants that you may have to remove, and you're going to then rehab it, and you're then going to increase the rents with the new tenants because you're going to put everything new and you're going to make everything beautiful, and you're going to then change the valuation of that asset, increase the valuation of the property asset. Before you buy the asset, say, hey, what are my numbers? What does this look like? What will a successful outcome look like? What is a clear path to success or to wealth or to cash flow or whatever it is that you're trying to do? What does a successful outcome of this look like? Write that down. And here's what I will tell you. Hardly ever what you write down actually comes to light when you're in the middle of it. There's power to the outcome that you want. So these are 3 things you don't want to do, right? You don't want to go into a deal and do it blindly. So number 1, don't overpay. Number 2, not having the proper financing. Make sure you get the proper financing. And number 3, make sure that you are clear on your strategy. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube, I would appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up. Let's talk in the bottom. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you again. Really appreciate your time. Like, subscribe. Peace out. See you later, guys. Hey guys, if you like this video, click here to watch more. Or if you want to watch or listen to the full episode, click here and listen to the full episode on my Buzzsprout. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel.